Okay, can I have Kashish Datta?
Mrs. Sylvie Rogers. She's been part and parcel of Hotman Mrs. India Worldwide. Let me take you through our judges out here and have a look what they have to say. A very beautiful lady out here, and she's our winner of Mrs. Social Butterfly, Rashmi Jain. What do you have to say, Rashmi?
Yeah. Hi everyone. So I'm here for the auditions in Chandigarh. So I'm very glad and I'm very grateful to Hotman team for giving me this opportunity. And today I'm here to represent women empowerment because winning is important, but being representing the victory of womenhood, that what I feel is important. So if you have not applied for Hotman, you can still apply. Delhi auditions are tomorrow. So just go and enroll yourself. Thank you.
By the way, Rashmi comes from a very small city of town of Barnala, and look at her and how she's made it to Mrs. India Worldwide and one of the winners. Next, we have a very beautiful lady out here. She's one of our sponsors from Rigveda. She's very much busy in actually, judging the contestants. Hi, Reena ma'am, how are you doing? Reena ma'am comes with a brand called Rigveda Essentials, which is a purest form of ghee that anybody could have. Ma'am, would you like to tell all the girls out here, because it's very obvious nowadays, people are very fitness freak. How is Rigveda ghee going to help these women out there to stay fit and be the part of this beauty pageant?
Okay, I'm better known here already as Rigveda ma'am, and what?
That's a good name
Yes,
indeed.
and for me to say something about ghee is like छोटे मुंह बड़ी बात. All through the ages, for the past 4,000 years, our Vedas, Ayurveda, they are their main theme revolves around ghee, and we believe that it is the best and it is the best. And
I know you have one eye on the contestants and one eye on.
actually, I don't want to do injustice to them. But,
Please carry on. We'll come back to you, and we'll have the details about Rig Veda essentials, because this is the finest form of ghee that she has come up with. And let me take you to the beautiful contestants out here from City Beautiful Chandigarh.
And first evident me that I love to save lives of street animals. And one thing, maybe I win or lose.
Listen clearly in English, and the Hotmod is a platform where you can speak any language. You don't have to be like कि आपको perfect होना है, because they groom us. There are mentors who prepare us for the whole journey. You have 8-9 months, so it's easy if you are a housewife, because I am a housewife. So I suggest if you are a housewife, still then you can take that one step and can come here and groom yourself. That's the best part.
That's
One
wonderful.
thing I'd like to say that I stepped into this beauty pageant after 15 year of my marriage. So people were saying कि 15 साल के बाद you are going to a beauty pageant, कोई और काम नहीं मिला. Like you should not bother about that. You can go in any age. Don't think कि अब वो time नहीं रहा. You have that talent. If you have that capability, you must go on. Just go on with the flow, and you will obviously reach the top.
Exactly. Thank you so much, everyone. And what best can we hear from our winners themselves, that they're sharing their own experiences, that दुनिया की मत सुनिए. Just think about yourself. We get little time to be ourselves, and here Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide provides you that time, that moment to live, where you live yourself, and where you are a woman, you are a mother, you're a wife, you are a daughter-in-law. You play so many roles, but here we help you explore yourself and be you. So